Hi class. Today we're going to finish up the eosin methylene blue or EMB auger and MacConkey auger. The MacConkey auger and EMB auger are classified as differential media and selective media. The differential media means that it differentiates between coliform and non-coliform, so bacteria that grow in the gut or the colon or the large intestine, and those that don't grow in that, okay, normally. And so differential media separates those two classes. And then selective means that it selects bacteria that are only gram negative. So there are bile salts in these media, and it inhibits gram positive bacteria because they are not normally in the presence of bile, which is secreted by the gallbladder into the intestinal tract. And so that is one way to tell the difference between gram positive and gram negative, is to put it on a MacConkey auger and EMB auger. So you can differentiate between coliform and non-coliform, and then you can select gram positive versus not gram negative. So you pick out or select the gram negative bacteria. And so looking at the two different types of media here, so we have the third, or the EMB is this plate here. Okay, so EMB, you can see that there's this green metallic shine. Okay, and that's characteristic of E. coli on EMB. Okay, so because it's fermenting the lactose and sucrose in the media, then it can grow this green sheen to it. And so that's characteristic of E. coli often. Not 100%, but it's pretty good indicator. And so that is eosin methylene blue auger and the coliform E. coli. And then the differential part is it differentiates between coliform and non-coliform. So here we have in this side here, there's pink colonies. That means it's a coliform. And then this one here, the same type of media, those are not pink. That means it's a non-coliform. So it differentiated between coliform and non-coliform. So that is a good media to choose when you're working with a coliform. And or if you don't know what it is, it's one of the first ones they will streak out when they're working with unknown bacteria. And they want to know if it's a coliform. So they might do this for a urinary tract infection. Okay, and so I'll go through and photograph each one of these plates. On one side will be the EMB, and on the other side will be the MacConkey auger. And then I'll put these at the end of this film. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Okay, this is number 1. Note the green metallic sheen on EMB, and then there are pink colonies on the other side. Okay, and this is number 3. So there's really no growth. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. No growth. Number 7. no growth. Number 8, no growth. Number 9, growth on the one on the right. Number 10, growth on both of them. And number 10 has a red pigment, so that's not the pink color we're looking for the coliforms. Number 11, no growth. And number 12, no growth. All right, so your job is to figure out the bacteria, and so I will give you a list of these numbers.